或者比较少的时候，都可以用这个。
Most commonly, I use it in headache, sleeplessness, anger, agitation, irritability.
所以那些焦躁啊、不安啊，包括那些愤怒啊，是不是啊？睡不着觉啊，痒很躁动、很亢奋的一个状态的时候，都用月亮穴。
Restlessness, emotional disturbances,
很不安啊，情绪波动特别大的时候，都用月亮穴。月亮是安稳的效果。
Not able to let go of the emotion somewhere in the deep down heart.
很难再把一些情绪倒出去啊，是不是啊？
High blood pressure.
高血压呀。
Any pain anywhere in the body.
对身体里面有疼痛啊。
Any pain we consider more young and that local area, so any increase.
所以痛症，一些偏热的一些痛症，是不是啊？你都可以用一些阴性的这种，这个牙疼肿得很厉害、红肿的时候，用阴性的就比较好平衡的。
Any inflammation or any infections anywhere in the body.
体内有发炎炎症的时候，是不是也是火性上炎的状态的时候啊？用阴性的月亮穴。
Post-operatively after the operation to heal the wound, I use left nostril.
所以在手术之后，是不是啊？为了更好的修复啊，一般也都用阴性月亮穴。
So it's again open to experiment with your clients. That you say somebody is having too much of headache, you say 20-20, you do it now and wait for 2 days and see the difference. If not, increase. If they are feeling good, then continue.
所以大家可以试一下，比如真正头痛的，让他练练，是不是？练2天之后看有没有缓解。有缓解的话就继续练，没有缓解的话换一个方法。
One thing open, I'll keep it. We do exercise for the muscles.
好，我们比如做肌肉的一些练习。
In our body, there is all chemicals are working with 2 principles. One is the pressure principle, one is the chemical principle.
所以人体练习啊有2个原理啊，一个是压力的原理，另外一个就是化学的原理。
If there is some chemical change in the body, body will detect fast.
所以如果身体内有一些化学的一些变化，身体马上就会做出。
If there is some pressure change in the body, your heart and other receptors will detect fast.
所以如果身体内压力发生变化的时候，你的心脏包括其他一些神经感受器会快速做出反应，是不是啊？
So you write down these 2 words: acid-base balance.
这个叫酸基平衡啊，酸基基础的基，酸基平衡。
Baroreceptors.
Barrel is the pressure. 然后这就是压力感受器啊。
Chemoreceptors.
Chemoreceptor 是化学感受器。
Acid-base balance is balanced used by either water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide of your body.
所以这酸基平衡涉及到水、氧气和二氧化碳之间的平衡。
When you are breathing slow and comfortable, it is a hypoventilation.
就当你呼吸非常深长缓慢的时候啊，你的体内含氧量很高，是不是啊？是一个。
When you are breathing fast, it is a hyperventilation.
你呼吸非常快的时候啊，属于一种过度呼吸的一个状态。
So with this concept, you imagine your lungs.
空气不足，左边是空气不足啊，后面是空气过度啊。左边应该说呼吸比较短浅。
Lungs work is oxygen and carbon dioxide transport.
在肺里面是氧和二氧化碳之间的平衡啊。
When you are breathing very slow, gentle, there is some little change, maybe less of oxygen in the body, and it sends the signals to the brain.
当呼吸不足的时候啊，氧气量会少一点，二氧化碳会多一点，直接发信号给大脑。
So there is an exercise that there is something imbalance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Because of this, some chemicals of the body which are acidic, some chemicals of the body which are basic will alter in their nature. So altering the nature of this is like similar to the exercise of the muscles. It is exercise to this oxygen and carbon dioxide.
所以在呼吸的时候会改变体内的酸碱度啊，就是你练习的时候也会改变一样。
So that brain will work and adjust your body in a such a way that even if there is any problem, it can adjust itself very well.
就这边有些问题，大脑会做出相应的调整。
So with this context, you compare Buddhist monks or Tibetan monks who can wear minimum clothes but still stay in Himalaya to maintain their body temperature. Is they are doing something at the level of chemicals of the body, and their body is adapted to all the extremes of the nature, and they can be together with the nature by working on this concept of subtle energy of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
西藏包括印度一些和尚跟修炼一些密法的时候，是吧？练一些扎龙、着火的 候，就穿的很少，是不是？然后还往身上泼水，还冻不死，是不是？实际上，他们就改变体内一些化学的一些变化。
So in a Kapalabhati, what you do is you breathing out forcefully. You breathe out forcefully, but you don't take breath in. You allow the body to decide to take breathing in automatically.
你在声光调息的时候，主动的呼气，被动的吸气，是吧？只管呼，你身体自然就会吸进来。
Normal breathing rate is around 14 to 22.
一般人的呼吸频率啊，每分钟14到22次啊。
Breathing rate we call.
呼吸频率。
Breathing rate means how many counts of breathing in and out in 1 minute.
1分钟内呼吸的次数。
So in Kapalabhati, what is happening? It is increasing almost to 40 to 100% more. So 40 to
一般声光调息的时候做的慢的1分钟
120 times per minute.
快的话1分钟是120次，是不是？
So some people will suddenly they'll teach you. The teacher will be able to do more. He can make you do this more than 80, but your body might not be ready for 40. So you adjust based on how you feel comfortable or not comfortable with these breathing techniques.
所以根据自己的身体状态，慢慢的去提升速度。
So Kapalabhati is nothing but active exhalation and passive inhalation.
声光调息不过就是主动呼气、被动吸气的一个练习。
The throwing more carbon dioxide out of the body.
所以这样的话会让它更多的排出体外，是不是？
Body chemical nature changes.
那么身体酸碱度数就变化了。
The signals will go from the blood that there is a less carbon dioxide in your body, there is something not okay. Then this will send it information to the brain. In the brain there is something called as a respiratory center.
所以实际上它很少的大脑能感觉到就是这样一个变化，然后会有一个呼吸中枢。
You write down like vital centers of brain.
就是在大脑当中一些重要的一些。
So vital centers are heartbeat will be maintained properly, blood pressure will be maintained properly, temperature will be maintained properly, breathing will be proper, and your food. If I eat some amount of food and you send a signal to the brain that okay now I'm done. So these vital centers are in the brain.
生理数据的指标都是被控制的，包括我们呼吸啊、心跳啊、体温啊、吃的饱不饱这些。
Maybe this part of the brain. This is cerebellum to balance. This is cerebrum, and this is the brain stem, called as medulla oblongata.
脑干的地方来调节一些重要的身体平衡啊，我们呼吸、心跳、体内的酸碱值都在脑干里头。
Don't worry about medical words. It's a brain stem.
这脑干。
So any bleeding here is very life-threatening because all the centers of the body are there. You cannot be able to manage.
这些基础的症状都由那儿控制啊。
So how the chemical nature of the body is a chemo. The chemistry, there are some body receptors where they send the signals of this chemical imbalance and then send to the brain. They are called as chemoreceptors.
里面有很多这个化学感受器也能感受到体内酸碱的变化，其他化学变化，直接把这个信号反映给大脑，大脑就做出反馈和调节。
There are receptors to sense the pressure areas in the bigger arteries of the legs and heart area and neck area, and they send signal to the heart and brain to maintain the body temperature, body blood pressure in a proper way.
所以我们在这重要的动脉里面，包括大腿啊，包括你手臂啊，包括你颈部啊，都一些动脉里有一些压力感受器啊，能感受到血压的变化。有些血压低的时候会升压，血压高的时候一般都会减轻。
So hyperventilation you can avoid in some of the diseases like epilepsy or a high blood pressure or some heart problem or some surgeries. To avoid hyperventilation.
所以尤其有些心脏病、高血压的人啊，避免做这些呼吸过度的练习，是不是啊？就声光调息之类的，避免或者是刚做手术的这些要避免。
Some psychiatric problems, too much of depression or some of the schizophrenia-like problems, psychosomatic problems.
包括一些精神分裂啊，这些精神问题的人，避免这种呼吸过度的练习。
Because already psychologically there is a problem, too much of thoughts. By increasing this breathing, their thought levels will become increased or somebody they will become maniac or they will.
他们头脑中念头已经很多，杂念非常多，是不是？情绪变化特别大的时候，你就不要呼吸让它再快，再给它提供那些刺激了，是不是？
You already learned Kapalabhati.
大家学过声光调息是吧？
You know it. So use very minimum part. Minimum. Start very minimum.
大家刚开始练的时候，慢一点、少一点啊，都可以的，1秒钟一次啊。
and slowly increase,
然后再加快速度，
and slowly increase more. Then slow down and then stop. You can use like this for 1 minute or 2 minutes, not too much, not 5 minutes.
开始练1分钟、2分钟就够了，从一上来练5分钟太多了。
Usually common yoga teachers they may say you that I can do Kapalabhati for half an hour. Usually may not be true technically.
就有人跟你忽悠你说能练半小时深空调息啊，
They are doing yes, but they are hyperventilating and they need rest in between and body will take rest automatically.
所以中间肯定是休息的啊，连续做法就其实是出问题。
Is it mysteriously interesting or it is boring?
会觉得有意思吗？觉得很难这个，
Should stop.
然后没有意思，
So this is the medical knowledge of chemoreceptors, physiology knowledge of this, and I tried to read from different sources how we can combine breathing techniques of it's a physiology of pranayama and other things. I get little information. Based on that, I worked on this. It's an exercise for your acid-base balance. You need to know about acid-base balance.
大家了解这个酸基平衡啊，大家平时百度可以搜一搜，就是过度呼吸，体内中酸性还是碱性？呼吸不足的时候，体内中酸性还是碱性？对不对？那就知道如何进行的平衡。
We'll do one practice
不是很详细，大家
and then we'll wind up the session.
我们可以简单做个练习，我们再。
These are all traditional technical things, and we can use the modification. I can use modify, I can modify. So this is somewhere I saw it or somewhere I read it. I do it. 1 minute we do it, then we go.
我们做1分钟，我们试一下，这个比较传统的练习啊。
Not to sit and stand, no problem.
我们坐着练也可以的。
So in this, I say breathing in,
呼吸，
out,
out，呼气这样，呼啊，
again. Come back center, breathing in,
呼
out,
呼啊，1、4、7啊，呼啊。
It looks funny, but it is making you aware of the breathing.
看起来很好玩，但是让我们对呼吸充满了觉察啊。
Can I increase the speed?
再加上速度啊。
Slow down.
要转过来啊。
Stop.
好，停下来。
Now, breathing out here, breathing in, out, in, out.
你们变过来2吸1呼，这回啊，在中间呼气，吸吸呼，吸吸呼。
Increase the speed.
你加快速度啊。
Slow down.
慢慢起来啊。
Stop. So you play with this with awareness.
可以带着觉知这样玩啊，
Rest of the day, try it and we'll see it tomorrow.
然后可以做一些这样试验啊。
Afternoon or tomorrow?
是吗？
I have less work.
今天我们要不要唱一首？唱一首。
Ratnamastha Mudra, one Om, we'll wind up the session.
好，我们唱一个嗡嘛。
Sri Shashikant does also. Take a deep breath in.
吸气。
来，那个是长的。
Which one is class with this time? Tomorrow morning, healthy support council, and they can have
How much time I can share? I copied into this and send it to you. Different chakras. Unless we know the chakras, it's no use. Crystals are something they carry a consciousness. What we give, it will give us same back to us and enhance to us.
你刚才说那个手印做的就单鼻孔，就另外一个鼻孔塞住吗？还是怎么做这个手印的？
单手也可以，或者你做手印的时候这样也可以。
啊，对，这样。
无所谓，或者一个手也可以。
And with the right hand you want to do this mudra and with the left hand you want to do this mudra. Don't mind.
Thank you.